Ano yung na-advocate mo, sir?
I've been advocating for mental health awareness because when I was still a kid and when I was still younger, na-diagnose yata ako was at the age of 20 with anxiety. So, ano siya, parang medyo tabu pa siya nung time na yon. Hindi pa ganun ka-generic yung topic. Gano'n. So parang kapag sinabing mentally, you have a mental condition, ay ano yan, may baliw or hindi niyan mabigets pag may explain pa kasi ano siya, may pagka sayad, something na gano'n. So that's what I've been advocating for kasi you can't keep on telling that to a person who is going through something in the very first place, right? So, mahirap eh. So, the way how I advocate is, I start to inform people how do you make a person comfortable. Kasi common din yung question na na-encounter ko. Especially kapag may mga bagong meet na friends or mga people na showing their willingness to get educated in terms of mental health. Ang common na narinisip ko na to, paano ba makipag-usap sa ganun? Paano kausapin or paano i-deal? Usually gano'n yung tanong. So, kung naman explain ko, ganito dapat yan. Huwag mong masyadong i-baby or huwag mong masyadong i-spoil na lagi niyang nararamdaman na there is another person that he or she can just talk to. Kasi why? The toxicity expands. Kasi yung someone who is already going through something, toxic ang nasa isip niya ngayon. So, that person who could probably share his or her thoughts sa mga first and second conversation or initial conversations, it could help for them to vent out. Pero kung yung continuous na pag-support, I don't think it's healthy. Kasi halimbawa sa situation natin, halimbawa, example scenario, I'm ranting on you and I'm going through something because I'm mentally ill, right? Let's say, parang mga pang-apat na beses ko na ngayon na nag-rant sa'yo. Baka matotoxican ka na nun. So parang na-absorb mo na yung negativity ko. So pag ikaw, na-feel mo na yung negativity, maghahanap ka rin ng another person. And yung magiging thinking mo na is, hindi siya pwedeng kausapin na about it kasi either I feel na siya yung problema ko, or hindi pwede kasi negative na nga siya, negative din ako. So, ano yun? Battery? Negative pag negative is positive or math? Ganon ba yun? Hindi po pwedeng ganon. So, hayaan mo lang siya na mag-vent or mag-vent out and marant kung ano man yun.
Your 30 seconds is up.
And then, iba na yung topic namin.
Well, my question number 2, okay, gets namin. Pero totoo yun, at the end of the day, siguro, dapat may awareness both sides.
Both sides talaga siya.
Para,
It's a two-way process.
Tapos, dapat tayo dun sa boundary, nasaset pa rin.
Oo. So, dapat, kung tapos na siyang mag-vent out, let the person heal. Because distance and time, let you heal. Actually, sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. Di ba napansin mo yung mga recent na solo moment and me time? Di ba it helps?
Ay, ang hirap ng question number 2.
Anong question number 2?
With the ongoing this is